Well, guys, the snow has started. We're supposed to get a snowstorm today. We'll see. Coco, you want to go out? I got the bacon in the oven for some nice BLTs. And no, I think we're going to do egg McMuffin today, this morning. Here's the four-wheeler. And, yeah. We're going to do egg McMuffin. I had BLTs on my mind. Sloppy Joes for dinner with fries. And chips. We got our storm chips, so we'll have some chips. And I forgot the dip, you guys. I forgot the heck of a good chip dip. I got some 3 cheese ranch, though. We'll dip it in that. It'll work. Can you believe Michelle forgot the chip dip when she went to Walmart? We'll get it, you guys. Don't worry. Okay, guys. Snowstorm egg McMuffin. How was it?
Wasn't that good?
Get lost.
It was delicious. You know that.
Okay, so we're going to eat. Then we're going to make Bruce's lunch. I got my storm day planned out. We're going to, well, first I have to, I lost these books. I couldn't find them, and I asked Nate and I asked Bruce, and nobody knew where they were. Today I swept, and I moved my chair, and they were at the side. I don't know how they got.
Who owes an apology? Can I have an apology?
I didn't blame you. I just asked.
You were blaming me. You said, well, where are they?
Look at that dripping.
Oh, they're very delicious. Is there another one there?
You want another one? I can make you one.
Nah, it's fine. I gotta watch my figure.
I'm gonna make you a storm lunch.
It's curling pretty good now.
Okay.
It wasn't just a couple minutes ago.
We could do some crosswords.
My friend said it's supposed to be crazy.
And just take your time coming home. It's really coming down now.
Like my dad used to say, it'd be pretty funny seeing it go up.
We're going to color. I started this one.
You want to trade today? Hey? You want to trade today?
No.
I'll color and you can go do my job?
Movie night.
It's only janitorial.
And then we're going to read. I could tell you about my book if you want. I got that much read so far. And we're going to watch the snow. And we might watch a movie. Maybe we'll watch a movie. And you guys can hang out with me. We have to go fill our bird feeders. So I'll be back. And of course we're going to have chips, storm chips. Yes, we are. Do you know what storm chips are? I didn't know until I watched for about a couple years up, Nova Scotia videos. Anybody in Nova Scotia, when there's a storm coming, they're like, I gotta go get my storm chips. You have to have chips for the storm.
Whatever works. Whatever gets you through the storm. I don't know.
They actually have a place there.
Called Storm Chip Heaven?
They make chips, and it says storm chips on them.
Oh, that's good.
I went to order them. I thought I'll order some. To order them was like $20 a bag or something. I was like, no thanks. Anyways, let me show you I gotta name her. I gotta figure out a name for her. Let me show you her. There she is. Isn't she cute? And she's got her little sweetheart hearts next to her. Oh, she melts my heart. You guys said I gotta name her, so I gotta think of a name for her. And I'll let you know probably
Isabel.
Today. No. Izzy? No. I'll think of a good name.
Fluffy.
And we'll let you know. She's so... Oh, you gotta admit, Bruce.
Ugly.
She's cute.
Ugly.
Gotta admit it.
Ugly.
Okay, after we eat, look at the snow, you guys. See the snow? We'll go out and fill our feeders
I
up.
have a funny feeling I'm gonna have white knuckles when I get home tonight.
One more day tomorrow, and then Bruce is off for her anniversary.
Yep, I can chase her around the house for 5 days, 4 days.
Look at it snow now, you guys. Isn't it pretty? We got these at the thrift store. Aren't they cute? Bruce found them. I gotta dust them. But when the wind blows, their wings go if the window's open. Yeah. Snowing. Snow day. There's Bruce's storm lunch from work. We're still uncertain if he's going or not because the roads are getting bad. Yeah, there is his lunch. He's got a croissant with, Bruce, can you shut that off, please?
I'm trying to shut up.
Jesus. Croissant with lettuce and tomato and cheese. He's got some strawberries, oranges, pistachios, a pudding cup of lemon pie, and I got a special treat for him. You're supposed to wait for your work. I got him some chocolate-covered raisins. Bruce's lunch. We'll let you know if he makes it, if he heads out or not. Okay, we made the decision for Bruce not to go to work today. Yeah, by the time he gets, it takes him an hour to get to work. So it's very dangerous. And the drive home would be horrible. So we are doing the dishes together. And then we'll have a little chip party together for the storm. Yeah. He's washing and I'm going to dry the dishes. So his lunch we'll keep for tomorrow. So let's go see him washing dishes. I told them you're not going to work in this mess.
Well, I'm not driving in this. I got too far to
Oh,
drive.
you wouldn't believe how far he drives to work.
Nah, I'm not risking getting in a bad accident over this crappy
It's
weather.
not worth it.
I'll bite the bullet today.
I'm going to dry
I'm
the
not going to
dishes.
be the only one.
He's washing the dishes and I'm going to dry them.
Yeah, we're tag teaming today.
Teamwork. We have our fans here sitting here watching us do dishes. They're always a big help. Yes, they're always a big help. So cute. You guys are so cute. Okay, guys, here is our storm party chips. We have ketchup. And we have dip I made with onion soup mix. That's an oldie. And we got chili cheese here with nachos. And we got some grape Mike and Ike's and some Good and Plenty. You ready to have a chip party, you guys? It's still snowing. Yeah, it's still snowing. Not many out there on the roads right now. We'll keep you updated. Yeah, you can't really see the road too much either. Yeah. Okay. This chip dip's going to bring me back to 1975. Christmas, sitting around the table with chips and dip. 1975. I'm going to tell you something. I can't believe I forgot my chip dip. My heck of a good chip dip. I'm going to tell you something. I'm trying not to be jealous, okay? But they sent this YouTuber a whole box of heck of a good chip dip. 6 containers, different kinds. And she showed it, but she didn't show herself eating chips and dip or anything. And never, ever, ever have I seen her eat chips and dip on video once. You think they would have sent that to me? Me! You know what I mean? How many people have I got eating heck of a good chip dip? I'm a little jealous. I'm not going to lie. I'm jealous, okay? I might email them and tell them. Maybe they'll send me some. It's only fair. Ketchup. Those are their ketchup chips from Costco. That bag is huge. It was $7.99, but I think you get like 3 bags of chips in it. What do you want to do, hon? Watch a movie? He's finishing up the dishes. Let's try one of these. We're just going to sit back, watch the snow. Maybe we'll watch a movie if I can find one.
Yeah, let's build some Alaska.
No. I'll find a movie.
Go make a snowman.
Or you can watch Alaska while I color, maybe. How about that? That sounds like a plan.
Come on, Dad. Holy cow, look at it now.
I know. You can't even see the road anymore.
It's retarded.
Okay.
I think I made a good choice.
I think you made a good choice, too.
Safety first.
Yes. Bruce is going to watch his Alaskan show.
Build in Alaska.
And I'm going to color. And we're going to have chips together, eh, hon?
Yes. Romantically.
On
a nice, snowy snow day.
This is the best day ever. This makes me happy.
And you got me to do your dishes.
Well, I helped.
Well, it was tag team.
I'm washing the bedding.
Everybody's
Getting
having
fresh
fun
sheets
on
on the bed. Yeah, they're all out there, the 4-wheelers. Snowmobiles will be coming soon, too. Yeah. Chip monster. Hey, don't throw them on the floor.
Go down there.
Hey. Sister May. Nobody wants your cookie. Come on now. Look at that face. Oh, sister. What are you doing? Nobody wants your cookie. You get the snob look now. Are you going to go out with Daddy and fill the bird feeders? And check on Cindy and Jethro? And run in the snow? Are you going with Daddy? You better bring your cookie with you. Snow buddy. Somebody went out in the snow to do his duty. I gotta dry him off. Keep him warm. Little snow bunny. You're so cute. You're so cute. Okay, you guys. We are having sloppy joes. I already got some ground beef ground up. I'm going to take some of this grease out of here. There's not a lot, but I don't know if there's even enough to worry about. Let me see. Yeah, I guess. Get my spoon here. I saved these pudding cups. They're perfect to put grease in when you want to take the grease out of your ground beef, and then it'll harden, and then you can just throw it away. Yeah, there's quite a bit of grease here to get rid of. You fell asleep and dropped your phone. Yes, you did. Baloney, we know you, Bruce. You're just like all the other guys, on your phone and you fall asleep. Okay, a little more grease here. I'm getting it all over the stove, of course, spilling it. That's okay. That's good enough. Okay. Okay. So now I got salt, pepper, garlic powder in here. Get the grease I got out of there. I'm going to put brown sugar. I make my own sloppy joe. A couple tablespoons of brown sugar, a little more if you want. I like it a little sweet. Okay. Mix that up. I like some Worcester sauce. Worcester. Why can I say that so easily, but other things I can't say? I'm going to put some honey mustard. You could put regular mustard if you want. I like honey. Whatever you want. Oh, jeez. I dropped the lid. Okay. Okay. Just a little teaspoon. Ketchup. And I like to put a little barbecue sauce in there too. Yeah. A little bit of Sweet Baby Ray. Woo! I'll mix it up and see what it's like. And if I have to add more, I just add more. I'm probably going to have to add some more ketchup. I know that. He just dropped his phone again. I heard you, Bruce. I heard you drop it. Okay, I'm going to do 2 of these and we're going to toast them in the toaster. What did you do? Oh no, on my coloring book? Oh, Jesus. There's some right by the door that the dogs, we used to dry the dogs off. There's 2 of them over there. Quit falling asleep. Gosh, if he's not doing anything, he falls asleep. I'm going to warm that up in the microwave to put on the buns when they come out of the oven. Okay. Okay. Just take them, butter them with the garlic butter. It makes a difference, you guys. It makes a difference. Trust me. Where's my butter? I'm just bummed because I just found out. I'll show you. Hold on. See these bowls here? This bowl here? I've had these bowls. Now, I've only seen one for the last day. And I finally said to Bruce, have you seen the other bowl? And Bruce said, I broke it. I got these, I don't know how many years ago. When we
Accidents happen.
Yes, I know, but it's upsetting because it's special to me.
Well,
when I used to go shopping in the States with my brother Greg, I got these at Target one time. And I'll never ever find another one to replace it. Yeah, so I'm kind of bummed out that he didn't want to tell me. And now Coco thinks he's getting chicken. He knows these bowls. Okay, there's certain... I like this cheese on Sloppy Joe's. You can use whatever cheese you want. You don't have to like my cheese. I don't care. You can use cheddar. But there's certain things I like this cheese for. It holds the meat on. Yeah. So I think one's enough for both of us. Each have one. Okay, I gotta check my fries. Hold on. Okay. Give them a flip. We're almost ready. Okay. Let's go 5. Okay. So then I just put the cheese on and I microwave them for about, I don't know, 15 seconds, 20 seconds. And the cheese will hold the meat in to the sandwich. As much, not all of it, but you know, most of it. I like to have cheese on my Sloppy Joe. Let's microwave that. I'm going to go 20 seconds. Okay. We're going to use the baskets so we don't have to do dishes later. Okay? I'll put our ketchup for our fries. And these things. Oh, another 20 seconds. Okay. That looks good. Okay. I'll slide that on there. Can you guys see that? And the lid will stick to it. Okay. We're just waiting for the fries now. Okay, so we're going to take the fries out of the oven. Is that the scraper coming down the road? Thought I heard them. Getting the roads cleaned up. Okay, so I take them out and I put them on a paper towel to get the oil off, the bacon grease. They taste just like fries that you fry in the deep fryer. But you put them in the oven, it's a little bacon grease. Yeah. And then put a little salt and pepper if you want. And they're ready to go. Dinner's almost ready. There we go. We have snowstorm dinner. Sloppy joes and French fries. It's time to eat.